Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your driver's license to your Apple Wallet. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who, want an easier way to actually go ahead and add their driver's license or access their driver's license, and so that they wouldn't actually have to carry a physical card. Now, it is important to note that I think it is still required that you actually do carry a physical driver's license card. But even so, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple and straight to the point. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, here we are on our Apple Wallet. Now, in order to add your driver's license as a card, you want to go and click on this plus icon at the top. And then from here, you're going to see this prompt that says driver's license or state ID. So go ahead and click on that. Now from here, you basically just want to go ahead and actually find the state in which you reside in. So afterwards, let's just say we click on Arizona. So once you click on Arizona, it's going to ask you to securely present your identity with your iPhone or watch. So click on continue. And so the Apple device is actually really good at scanning your ID. So you simply just scan your driver's license from the front, and then you go ahead and scan your driver's license from the back. So that right there is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and add your driver's license to your Apple Wallet. Let me know if you guys know of a better or easier way down below in the comments. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.